Alright you guys, this is what it's looking like so far. I have did the trim on the floor. I have painted the air vent. I did the trim all the way around the floor to the back of the sink. I put the closet door back in. It's not installed because I need my boyfriend's help to install it. It's just sitting here so I can see how it looks. And it's gonna need another coat of paint, and I need to go in and touch up the side. I don't know if it looks like maybe two different colors. It doesn't look as bright, so I might end up painting the door again, but with the roller. The next thing I'm gonna work on is the trim on the mirror, because it will match the black on here. And then I'm gonna use the Rust-Oleum Krylon. Well, this is not Rust-Oleum. It says Krylon right in front of my face. Rust Protector. And I'm going to use that to spray the shower head, the shower curtain rod, the old handles, and the sink, and these. All these are going to be painted black. And I seen a lady on YouTube use this, so I'm going to use it. It is what it is, and it is what it is. And I also need to go in and cover up some of the mistakes I've made. Maybe you can't notice them, but you can see like it's a little, you know, patchy, matchy, graphy. We're on a home stretch, and let me tell you, this is taking a long time, and I have thoughts. And I also have tips and things that I've done wrong and things that I will fix on my next room makeover. Oh my god, you guys. So, I have these wood screws. They are 6 by 5/8. They're wood screws, and they are steel, and I'm using these to attach the hinge back to the closet door. And then I also discovered they covered the whole door with wallpaper. I didn't know it had holes for a handle, so I'm gonna have to buy a handle for the door. But I actually want the handle to go up here because this is where the attachment is, right there. And then I also realized that this whole wall that I painted, it's wallpaper, because here it is, and if I peel it, you can see the wall will come up, and I'm not gonna peel it off. I'm just gonna score it down the sides, and that's just gonna be that. Okay, period. Alright, so this one is gonna go here. I have the screw, I have this little screw driver, and I shall insert it into here, then insert it into the hole, and then use screw, righty tighty, lefty loosey. And I bought new screws, and these are slightly bigger than the old screws, so it'll just give a tighter fit. Bam. So of course, getting the door back on is harder than getting the door off, so I'm gonna have to take this connector thing off because it's giving me a hard time. And I'm just gonna have to reconnect her. You get it? You get it.
What if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead? Maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nose. See me right there. What if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead? Then you'll get bored of killing me.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
Alright guys, so this is what it's looking like. Oh my god, look at it when it's closed. It's still wet, so be careful when I open it. I haven't done the inside. I'm gonna do that another day. I think I'm gonna paint it all metallic. I'm still gonna do the black trim around it, and I'm gonna paint it all metallic. Also, something that I just noticed is that it's a needle in the ceiling, and if you look down here in this tub that's disgusting that we have not used yet, there's a needle there. So the needle is here, or the syringe is here, and the needle is up in the ceiling. How gross is that? But the bathroom is almost done. It just looks so modern and so much better with the black trim. And I use a regular paint that I used on the trim. I should have honestly took it out and spray painted it, because the regular paint was hard to adhere to this. As you can see right here, when I took the tape off, a piece tried to come up. So you might want to use a different type of tape. A different type of paint, which is better for metal.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way.
Alright guys, oh my god, we have finally made it to the end of the video, and I just wanted to sit down and look presentable. I just want to thank everybody for watching thus far. Please subscribe, please thumbs up this video, leave me a comment, look down in the description box for any links to my social media. I really appreciate every single one of you. Like, a transformation literally started like March 10th. It's so warm in this room, oh my god. It literally started like March 10th, and it's the 4th of July right now, but the bathroom has been done for about 3 weeks. So what you're going to be seeing is like the really end of it. This was very fun. I can't believe it's my very first room makeover in this place. Please subscribe, and here is the reveal in 3, 2, 1. So now that you have seen the full dramatic panning, great up and down reveal. Let's get into some things. First, let's start with this door right here. So yes, I spray painted this door. It has held up pretty nice. I haven't wiped it down or anything like that yet, but there has been no chipping, no fingerprints, no nothing. I really don't regret painting it. I was very apprehensive about painting a door black because I didn't want the room to seem smaller. I didn't want to like take away from like the brightness, but this really helps with the contrast. I am in love with this. Let's keep moving this way. So this was a threshold rug that I got thrifting from, I think, Goodwill, and you would have seen me putting it, trying it on the floor. It just was clashing with the floor too much, and I just had this blank wall, and I was like, I should put this on the wall. I love this like shaggy detail. I want to call it fringe, but I don't think that classifies as fringe per se, and it takes up like a great amount of space on this wall, and I like that because I wanted something on this wall. I was going to do a picture, but this is so much bigger. And here is my thrifted toilet paper holder. I painted it black, matte black. It still has some type of shine to it at the bottom. It can do this. So that's great. This particular flower pot was thrifted. It comes from 5 Money Tree, wherever that's at. I was trying to see that I still have the sticker on it, but I probably paid like $3 for it. All the floral in it was thrifted. These were thrifted as well. This candle was thrifted. It was already used. I didn't mind that because it gives it a lived in type of feel. This basket was thrifted. Do I have the price on it? Yep. It was 50 cents, and I like to keep the prices on it for when I show y'all, so you can see that, you know, finding pretty decor stuff can be super cheap, and I'm gonna always choose the super cheap option. Let's go down here. So I found these wheatgrass or whatever they would be classified as at a store called Beans to Go. It's like a bulk overstock type of place, and it came with a whole bunch of them, but I only decided to use 3 in here with this wood vase. I paid $2 for this wood vase. I also have another candle and candle holder. This candle is from Dollar Tree. This is the original art that I made. I painted over a canvas. You guys saw that a couple scenes ago. Yeah, I painted the toilet handle, and it is still looking good. So here is the door. I still haven't found a handle to go on the door yet, but it is still looking good. Here's the hook. I don't really have nothing to go on the hook, but it is what it is. I'm in front of the shower curtain that I got from Walmart. I love the shower curtain. It is cloth, but I love that it pulls on the ground. It just gives me luxury feel. Let's talk about the shower rod. As you can see, the shower rod has sustained some damage from the shower curtain holder, and that's because of a couple of reasons. One reason is because I didn't sand it at all. It's a totally smooth surface. All I did was painted it. The second reason is I just used a regular spray paint. Maybe I should have used more of a metal spray paint. Not sure about that because I used a matte. I didn't use the Krylon that I used under the sink. I'm going to have to go over and do that, so keep that in mind. Looking in the shower, you can see that I painted the shower faucets and the temperature control and the shower control in the middle. I did not paint the drain because it has a leak and it will never dry. I just have this shower rack that I'm going to replace that my mom gave me, or I might paint it black because it's not given. And then I have the shower head, which has been used and is still holding up pretty well. Now you know that the art was also done by me, covered over canvases. Some that I got gifted from my mom from Dollar Tree, some I bought myself, but I wanted to make art of my own. You see my little flower in that vase. That vase used to be my great grandmother's, and it used to be green, but I spray painted it black to go with my aesthetic so I can keep it in the family. I thrifted this stool from the Pathway, I believe. I paid $2 for it. It's rough. It's got crayon marks on it. It needs to be redone, and I'm planning on doing that, and it's a veneer, so I'm going to end up painting it. I don't think I'm going to paint it black. I think I'm going to do something to keeping, you know, the thing with the legs, because the legs are in pretty decent shape. I just love having this here. You can put your phone on it. If you're in a tub, you can put, you know, whatever, and it's aesthetic. I could put a vase here. I could put something here, a plant or whatever, and it is what it is. The light has changed because I was using my ring light to light it up, but the switch is up here, so you would have seen it. So I'm just trying to keep it aesthetic. But you can remember what I said in the video about using a different type of paint for the frame of this mirror because it's metal. The the soap holders and the toothbrush holder and the sink has held up well. The sink has always had a calcium buildup problem, and it still does, but it's still black, you know what I'm saying, and it still does what it needs to do. And I didn't do the drain in this one either because I got lazy. But I wanted to keep this to show you guys that one of my rings for my shower broke. That's why I have this piece, this random white one in the middle trying to hold it together, but it's making it tight, and I need to go in and redo it and figure out what's going on. Over here is the towel rack. I chose this towel because I honestly didn't want to buy a new towel, and I thought maybe this towel would be cute as a contrast, this colorful towel in this black and white room. I'm still debating on whether I want to keep it in here or not, but we are drying our hands on this, and I would guess you see it as well. This is scraps of the wallpaper from the old bathroom, and I decided to make it into a collage. And when I eventually finish doing the bathroom closet, I'm going to add more to it. I think this is really pretty behind this door. Overall, I'm just really proud of myself. It took me forever to do it, but I got it done. It's like completely done. I did the floors by myself. I didn't even show you the floors, but they have held up really well. I just clean them with my Swiffer or with like a disinfectant wipe. I just really love it. Sometimes I just come in here and just sit in here and look around and be like, I can't believe I really did this. And I'm really proud of it. And right now I'm currently working on the bedroom, so I wish you guys would subscribe and like this video and leave a great comment. Let me know, or a bad comment, I don't care which way, just, you know, leave a comment, give me some engagement, okay? And oh my god, if you subscribe, I will see you on my next one. Bye.